The NIHR School for Public Health Research is training public health research leaders of the future. We provide a range of training opportunities for those interested in pursuing a career in public health research. Let's hear from some of our alumni about their experiences and advice for future trainees.
The PhD has really kind of prepared me with my academic skills in doing researching and also collaborating with people within my department and across international. And I think that has been the most fun bits in the PhD.
Developing my research skills during my PhD was great. I was in a really good PhD research group. Loved the people I worked with, and yeah, got a good start to my research career there. Learned a lot.
The thing I enjoyed the most while I was part of SPHR was just the freedom and autonomy to sort of find my own way and figure out what I liked best and maybe some of the stuff I didn't like. It's not often you get an opportunity to just experiment and do that.
The thing that I've enjoyed the most at SPHR was the opportunity to collaborate with researchers across the whole school, across the whole of England.
I've enjoyed the kind of variety of the work, the fact that it's both scary and exciting that you're very independently working and managing your own projects, but alongside a team, my supervisor's team.
Talking to people, I think, you don't realise how much impact research has until you speak to the people who are affected.
I've really enjoyed being able to kind of learn every single day. Like throughout, it's been a massive learning experience.
Having this feeling of always cutting edge of the evidence generating and the understanding, it's a bit daunting because it's heavily debatable, but also it gives me the courage to keep going and crossing the boundary and going further.
Community is just like really friendly, really helpful, really collaborative, and it's nice to kind of get together and say like, oh, we should collaborate on this.
It's been fantastic just feeling, supported, embedded within a network that I can reach out to, ask questions, and the infrastructure that the NIHR has for PhD students is incredible.
Make the most of the events that SPHR put on, as well as all of the potential training that's accessible to you.
Talk to people all the time. Talk whilst you're still forming your ideas.
I think my two main pieces of advice for new PhD students. One is that I found it really useful to write as I went along during my PhD, so writing up my studies as I went along, because when I got to at the end bringing my thesis together, I just kind of I found that a lot of it was already written, it was already there, it was just bringing it together. And another piece of good advice, I think, is to kind of document all the key decisions that you make throughout the research journey, because when you get comments from supervisors or reviewers or Viva examiners, everyone can do research in a slightly different way, and research always has its limitations, but actually if you can explain and justify why you did something, you know that you're going to have a good research output at the end of it.
Our alumni have produced many different outputs from their training awards with us, and many are still engaged with the school and support our new trainees. Over 90% of our alumni have reported that they would like to pursue a career in public health research. The NIHR School for Public Health Research continues to provide an environment where public health research can thrive. If you would like to find out more, visit our website and follow us on Twitter.